I'm about to leave for the first time for a retreat, a business retreat. And you might be thinking, well, Maya, you don't have a business. You're right, I do not have a business, but it's in the plans. I am a freelancer right now, but how can I push this more? Kind of think about this long term, make a living out of this. I'm gonna be with women that are already entrepreneurs and business women, so it's gonna be a bit intimidating. Just like I said in another video, just take action, just try it, just do something and the universe will get it back somehow. It'll put something in motion. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm taking my advice and I'm doing something. This is awesome. Cheers. Cheers. So I'm really happy. People here are great. I think the workshops are going to be awesome. It's just amazing how some people chose to be here from a bit everywhere in Quebec. Complete strangers with different stories that all have their own little something to bring into this world. I find it so special and inspiring. They all have something to say. They all have something that they do that's helping people or the world. Tomorrow's gonna be a good day. Workshop of the day, business photography with Megan Hlusko, and it was so interesting. We learned about branding, lighting, how to take good pictures of yourself, so really excited. Had supper. The girls are giggling. We made these flower crowns, and there's a thrift shop, so I got this funky piece to wear for supper. We're gonna have little sweet goods by a baker that's here. Tomorrow's the last day. Good morning. We are Sunday. I'm feeling super relaxed because we just had a little yoga session with Jamie. We're about to have brunch. It smells delicious in the house. Then we have a workshop on money. Always a sensitive subject. It's gonna be a good day. If you're not grounded, it is all too easy to get swept up in other people's energy and mistake it for your own. Your boundaries will become blurred as you are absorbing the energies around you and struggling to define what is their stuff and what is yours. That is one of my biggest struggles. If someone comes to me with a project, they seem so excited about it, I'll jump in and say yes right away. But it was their energy that I was feeling, not mine. Because when I go back home and then I'm in a neutral position, I realize that it's not really aligned with what I want to do. But I get so easily excited by other people's excitement. So yeah, definitely get grounded. That's a good one. And that's funny because it's also the intention that I set starting the yoga session with Jamie. She said, you can set an intention for the day or for the session. I said, I'm going to get grounded. And that's the card that I got. This is officially the end. Really happy I did it. Officially done the Wonder Weekend. And now it's going to be a wonderful week. I feel like my brain is still working and processing. During these workshops, it made my brain just start flourishing with full of ideas. One major thing that I got from this weekend is being able to say exactly what I wanted. And every time we had to state what we did and what we want, it would become clearer and clearer just by speaking it out loud. So maybe that's a tip for you. If you have something inside that you can't quite put your finger on it and you're like, I want to do something but I'm not too sure what, I'm not too sure how, try to explain it to someone or just speak it out loud. It helped me so much. Every time, every new day that I would speak it out loud, it would become clearer.